Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Our today's topic is how to set up NEWFAST AX1800 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 repeater. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this NEWFAST AX1800 repeater setup is the one of the best. The NEWFAST AX1800 extender is a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 range extender that boosts and extends your existing wireless network for faster speeds and wider coverage. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. In the first step, insert the NEWFAST AX1800 repeater into a wall socket near your main router. Switch it on if it has a power button. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes solid. Do not press WPS during manual setup. Open Wi-Fi settings on your mobile phone, laptop, or PC. Look for a Wi-Fi name such as NEWFAST_AX1800, NEWFAST_AXD, or Wi-Fi repeater_AX. Tap Connect, no password required, or use the password printed on the label. You must be connected to the repeater's Wi-Fi, not your home router. Open any web browser: Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox. In the address bar, type http://192.168.10.1. When the login page appears, log in with username and password. Both are admin. If different, use the credentials printed on the device sticker. Click Login. On the setup screen, select Repeater Mode or Range Extender Mode. Click Next or Start Setup. Do not select Router or AP mode unless required. On the setup screen, select Repeater Mode or Range Extender Mode. Click Next. The repeater will scan nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi name, SSID. Choose the correct band, 2.4 GHz for better range and 5 GHz for higher speed. You can repeat both bands if dual-band setup is available. Start setup. Do not select router or AP mode unless required. Carefully enter your main router's Wi-Fi password. Double-check spelling. Passwords are case-sensitive. Click Next/Apply. Wrong password will cause connection failure. You can keep the same Wi-Fi name as your router or create a new name like Home Wi-Fi_EXT or NEWFAST_5G_EXT. Set a Wi-Fi password, recommended same as router. Click Save/Apply. The repeater will restart automatically. This may take 2 to 3 minutes. LEDs will blink and then become stable. Do not unplug the device during reboot. Go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the new extended Wi-Fi name. Enter the password. Internet should now work through the repeater. Unplug the repeater. Place it halfway between the router and weak signal area. Manual setup is now complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.